Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button found below and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. If you find that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them. And don't forget also to leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! This time, let me shout out to one of my avid viewers who never fail to watch every video that I upload. He is no other than Edric Kalosik. Also, I would like to shout out to the two viewers who answered correctly the exercises given in the video on the technique on how to solve H-word problem part 3. They are the following: Kim Eliza and Chester Jan Guevara. Once again, thank you for supporting my channel. I hope that you will continue supporting my channel by watching my future videos. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to present to you how to subtract mixed numbers. Let us begin by subtracting a mixed number from a whole number. So let us have example number 1. Let us say we want to subtract a mixed number from a whole number. Let us say we want to subtract 3 minus 1 and 1/3. If we are going to subtract through illustrations, we can start by illustrating first the 3. So let us say this is our illustrations representing 3. Okay, so we have the illustration 3, and then we are going to take away 1 and 1/3. So in here, we are going to, since we are subtracting 1 and 1/3, we will just simply erase 1 and 1/3. And what is left would be the difference of 3 and 1 and 1/3. So first, we are going to erase 1 whole, and then we are going to erase also 1/3. So in here, before we can erase the 1/3 from the 2 that is left, we are going to rename first this 1 whole into 6/3 or 1 and 3/3. 6/3 and 1 and 3/3 are just simply equivalent to 2. From here, we can now subtract the 1/3. So we can now erase 1/3. So what is left now is 1 whole and 2/3, or that is equivalent to 1 and 2/3. So when we subtract 3 minus 1 and 1/3 will give us 1 and 2/3. So without the illustration, we can also use our computation. So before we can subtract 1 and 1/3 from 3, we have to rename first that 3 into 2 and 3/3. 3/3 is just simply 1 plus the 2 is 3. So 2 and 3/3 is just equivalent to 3. So when we subtract 1 and 1/3 from 2 and 3/3, it will give us 1 and 2/3 by, first we have to subtract the whole number. 2 minus 1 will give us 1, and then 3 minus 1 will give us 2, and then just copy the common denominator of 3, following the rule in subtracting similar fractions. So the answer is 1 and 2/3. We can also do it this way. We can rename 3 into 9/3 because 9/3 is just equivalent to 3. When we subtract 9/3 minus 1 and 1/3, 1 and 1/3 can also be written in improper fraction as 4/3. So, following the rule in subtracting similar fractions, we just simply subtract the numerators. 9 minus 4 will give us 5. and then copy the common denominator of 3. So, the answer is 5/3, or we have 1 and 2/3. Now, let's have another example. What if we are subtracting 4 minus 2 and 1/2? First, we can show the illustration showing 4. And then we are going to erase 2 and 1/2 from these shaded illustrations. And what is left would be the difference. Okay, first we are going to erase 2. Whole 1, 2. So what is left is 2. After that, we have to subtract or erase 1/2 from this 2. So before we can erase, we have to represent 2 into 1 and 2 halves or 4 halves. So from there, we can now subtract or erase the 1/2. So what is left is now 1 and 1/2 or 3 halves. So when we subtract 4 minus 2 and 1/2, it will give us 1 and 1/2 or 3 halves. So how do we show that through the computations without our illustrations? First, we have to rename 4 into 3 and 2 halves. 2 over 2 or 2 halves is 1, plus the 3 will give us 4. So when we subtract 2 and 1/2 from 3 and 2 halves, first we have to subtract the whole numbers. So 3 minus 2 will give us 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1, and then copy the common denominator of 2. That's why our difference is 1 and 1/2. Or we can also rename the 4 into 8 halves. 8 halves or 8 over 2 is equivalent to 4. When we subtract this by 2 and 1/2, 2 and 1/2 can also be renamed as 5 halves to give us 3 halves or 1 and 1/2. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.